Because we know that one of the most watched content for you was this, and I think it's really important because we were just talking about men. That was 5 surprising facts about penis. Okay, so tell us, and that's how we end. That's very important for everybody to know because my 50% audience is men.
5 surprising facts about the penis. Babies can have erection while inside the uterus. Like when somebody is pregnant with a male child, that baby can have an erection. बहुत बार मतलब देखा गया है on ultrasounds, on X-ray, not X-rays, but yeah.
Inside the body.
Yep.
Oh.
It's just normal sexual development. The body is understanding. अच्छा ये ऐसे होता है, ये वैसे होता है. It's not sexual.
Okay.
The baby is not capable of sexual thoughts at that point. But yeah, it happens.
Okay, that's one.
Number 2, penile lengthening surgeries are not
good, bad, what? Come on, give it a go. Give it a word.
I mean, they can cause problems. They can be problematic. They're not the most successful surgery in the world. वो 1-1.5 इंच ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Average penis size globally is between 5.1 to 5.5 inches. Not what people. This is erect penis. Not what people think कि 7 inches normal है. एक लड़की ने बहुत बढ़िया रील बनाई थी कि उसने अपने मुंह के बगल में एक इंच टेप खोला था 12 इंच. And she's like, क्या करोगे इतने का? Which is true. What else? 5 surprising facts. मैं बहुत पुरानी रील है यार, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है.
ठीक है, बताओ 2-3 बताओ और प्रेशर है. देखते हैं हम आपका कंटेंट याद रखती हूँ.
मैं डॉक्टर हूँ, मैं रट्टा मार के आती हूँ सब चीज, मुझे कोई वो नहीं है. What else? The penis can point in many different directions. That's normal. It's हर किसी का penis सीधा नहीं होता है. कुछ का अपवर्ड्स पॉइंट करता है, कुछ का साइडवेज पॉइंट करता है, कुछ का डाउन पॉइंट करता है. There's like lots of different directions, all normal variations. और क्या? हाँ, some people can have a condition where अगर उनका foreskin सही से stretch नहीं हुआ है, if they're not circumcised, तो foreskin फंस सकता है, चिपक जाता है बेसिकली पेनिस पे. इसको हम बोलते हैं फाइमोसिस. इसको बहुत अग्रेसिवली लोग ठीक करने की कोशिश करते हैं एंड दे कीप पुलिंग द पेनिस विदाउट द विदाउट लर्निंग द प्रॉपर टेक्निक ऑफ इट. और इसकी वजह से अक्सर ज़ोर से फोर्सफुली वो पेनिस फोर्सकिन पीछे खींच लेते हैं और फिर फोर्सकिन वहाँ अटक जाता है. देन इट कांट गो बैक. इसको हम बोलते हैं पैराफाइमोसिस. These are big problems that a lot of people come to the hospital for. You can break your penis. There's no bone inside the penis in humans. In animals there is.
But you can have a fracture.
So basically जब उसमें blood भर जाता है, so it's very like rigid. And अगर उसमें बहुत तेज blunt force लगे, चाहे masturbation के through, चाहे sex के through, you can break it and it needs immediate surgery. My favorite penis fact, one of my favorite penis facts. There's a phallological museum in Iceland, so it's the museum of penises, and they have a penis over there which is a blue whale ka penis ka tip, and that's 6.7 feet long. Tip. Yeah, fun stuff.
For you.
I have a lot of really fun penis facts in my book. Another very interesting one in the animal kingdom is that ducks का penis जो होता है वो corkscrew shape में होता है. And ducks का vagina वो anti corkscrew shape में होता है, because ducks are very rapey animals. So even non-consensually they will rape female ducks, and duck vaginas kind of evolved to be like this. उसके उसमें तो duck vaginas. Duck penises evolved to be like this in response to that. It's very bizarre. I have a whole chapter on all of this.
In this book?
In my book.